Hey, if you're a solo filmmaker and have trouble getting creative shots, shooting on your own because you don't have someone else behind the camera or following you with a gimbal, well, this video is for you. So here we can use the phone to look at the Mimo app, and we have the Pocket on this extendable selfie stick. Let's raise it right the way up, as near to the ceiling as we can get, and then use the Mimo app again to set up our composition and exposure, and here's the shot. So once again, we're in a different position, but still on this selfie stick, raising the Pocket way up. Now I'm standing where I'm going to be on the path, and I'm focusing with single point focus. So the leaves won't be in focus, just me. And if we take a look at this now, I'm in focus as I walk, but the leaves in front of the camera are a bit blurry. Then let's do the opposite thing again, looking at the Mimo app. Let's set single point focus on the leaves, so I should be blurry. Let's take a look at this. And here we see the leaves are in focus, and just gives you a different type of shot where I'm blurry in the distance. So here we're going to do a focus pull using the Mimo app. And I'm just keeping the phone out of the camera view. So first I'm tapping on myself, and then I'm just moving my thumb, trying to act here, to tap on the palm tree in the background. So first me, and then the palm tree in the back, without it being too obvious. It takes a little bit of practice, but it just allows you to do a focus pull just on your own. And here's the result. The Pocket is particularly good at just hiding in little locations, like down here by the bottom of this palm tree. It gives a very interesting angle of me walking towards the camera itself. Just capturing your daily activities, like putting this on the floor while I'm going to go to breakfast at the hotel. And it gives a great little interesting shot. Also have it on the table is another perspective. So you get an image of you and what you have for breakfast. This helps you build up a story. Again, also here going into the entrance of the restaurant. And it's out the way and no one really notices it's there. The only thing I did wrong here was add autofocus on, and you can see the focus shifting as I walk past. So it would be better to do single point focus. Some other interesting points here are just filming your feet as you walk along the beach. This is sort of a classic travel vlogger type thing that you see all the time. Now, this is a great little thing for 10 bucks on Amazon. It's magnetic, and it allows you to put the Pocket on anything magnetic, like here on this fire extinguisher, where you get a nice, interesting point of view as you walk past it. And also it has a little stand that pulls down at the back, and you can use it like a little mini tripod. So right here at the top of these steps gives an interesting view as I come around the corner and just walk past it. Again, different shots and angles will help you with your storytelling. Place it on the bar just before you're going to go get a drink or a cup of coffee. Gives an angle of the barman and the restaurant and the place where you are. Or just have it on the table and no one really notices that it's on while you sit and take in the scenery and have a drink. Also here on a tennis court, I also use the Mimo app just so I could place myself in the composition on the left third here. And it allows me to start recording. Even though I'm holding the phone, I can try to keep it out of the way. This is an interesting shot, again, using the little flip down on that pocket holder. Just getting the sand off your feet as you come off from the beach. Now, don't forget to use the Mimo app. It's really good, especially for tracking shots and just setting up your exposure and composition. Here again, it's on a fire extinguisher because it was metal. And then I'm able to go to the other end of this yoga area and set it up to follow me. And it'll track me as I walk through. So again, perfect if you're on your own filming, but to get some movement. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a like, subscribe and comment, the usual stuff. And also check out this next video to help you on your filmmaking journey. I'll see you in the next one.